So good evening, everyone. I'm 𝐂𝐄𝐄 and today I'm here again to take your session on know-how of perspective. Last class, we just tried giving you some explanation regarding the perspective and the express patch. But today we just want that let's try that how to apply perspective in our artwork. You know, the moment we hear perspective, so there must be few terms which must be going in your head, somewhat like vanishing point, 1 point, 3 point, 2 point, 4 point, 5 point, 6 point. So such kind of terminologies must be running in your head. But what is actually perspective? So that we are going to discuss today. And we will just try to apply this sense of perspective in our artworks. We will just try that how to apply this sense of perspective. So always remember, it is just not about using a vanishing point. It is an application which has to be applied in your artwork. So I'll start using my board and let's see. I'll remove my background and I'll start using my board. And you will also start working accordingly. So I hope all your stationaries are there near you. है ना, आपके पास आपकी working stationaries होगी और उसमें आप कोई changes नहीं करेंगे. Earlier, we have done sessions on still life. We also made you do elements and principles of design. We did color theory. You also did few sessions on color rendering. So as time is less, so we need to introduce how to apply perspective in our artwork. So class, before starting with this session, can I ask you one question? Usually within 2 minutes, all of you will draw. Draw 3 apples. Can you just draw and show me within a time span of 2 minutes? Okay, within a time span of 2 minutes, 3 apples. Can you draw 3 apples within a time span of 2 minutes? Can I have few cameras switched on? Few cameras switched on, yes. And I just need to see 3 apples within a time span of 2 minutes. I'll keep on checking my WhatsApp. I'll just see whether you shared your idea, you shared your responses or not within a time span of 2 minutes. It's 6:11. I'll wait till 6:13. So I'm going on checking my WhatsApp. Okay. So no response yet. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Are you all working? Should I wait for 2 minutes? Should I wait for 2 minutes? Are you all working? Are you all working, everyone? So it's 11. I'll wait till 13. I'll wait till 13. Okay, I'll wait till 6:13. So it's 6:12. So I'll wait for 1 minute more. Not more than that. Not more than that. I just need few responses. No one? You can show me here on by switching on your video also. Please switch on your videos. Please switch on your videos. Okay, please switch on your videos. Tomorrow also some class is announced. So if you don't switch on your video, the faculty will not teach you. That is true. I am teaching you, but they will not teach you if the video is not on. Switch on your videos quickly. I can see number of students here. Please switch on your videos fast. Switch on your videos fast. Class, switch on your videos fast. So it's 6:13. I have to start with my work. Yes, switch on your videos fast. Last 1 minute, switch on your videos fast so that we can connect. Switch on your videos fast to connect properly. Very good. Switch on your videos fast. Switch on your videos fast. Everyone switch on your videos fast. You have shortlisted design as your career. So you have to communicate with people. जिसको बैकग्राउंड की थोड़ी भी चिंता हो रही है, आप ब्लर कर लीजिए बैकग्राउंड. There's nothing to worry. किसी को भी अगर थोड़ी बैकग्राउंड की चिंता हो रही है, आप उसे ब्लर कर सकते हैं, no problem. Switch on your videos. Only 3 cameras are on. Switch on your videos. Switch on your videos fast. Switch on your videos. Everyone, quickly switch on your videos. Class, everyone switch on your videos fast. So I won't waste time saying again and again, switch on your videos fast. The exams are approaching. We are planning a lot of sessions to give you, but if it is not communicative, visually you need to make it communicative. So if it is not communicative, it is of no use. Switch on your videos fast. I can see Divyanshi, Eva, Bhuvaneshwari, Garima. Ne, Garima ka on hai. Kavya, Kinjal. Yes. Switch on your videos. Palak. There are a lot of students. Smriti, Swati, Tanushri, Tesha. Switch on your videos quickly. Topic is very tough. We have less time. So we cannot do it then. Beta class kaise karoge fir? Eva, how will you do? You have to draw a lot of things. Okay. So I will also check with my WhatsApp how many of you have shared. So it's very good. At least Moise tried. Moise tried that what should be the answer. And he has drawn 3 apples this way. All right. Ye 3 apple Moise ne bheja hai. Aur kisne try kara? Here Garima Modi has also tried. All right. Very good. Not bad. But I just need to say something. Rest. Only 2 of you are working. Rest are not working, right? सिर्फ 2 बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं और कोई काम नहीं कर रहा. Is it so? Is it so? और कोई बच्चे काम नहीं कर रहे. So you have to, you have to. Now see these 3 apples which Moise has shared here. So can I ask you, how will you explain these 3 apples? वो same size के हैं, वो आगे पीछे हैं, क्या हैं? Can you tell me? Once you see these 3 apples, what kind of explanation will you be able to give? Pushwin, can you tell me? Pushwin, आप 3 एप्पल देख रहे हो स्क्रीन पर. कैन यू टेल मी ये एप्पल आप कैसा बताओगे? तीनों सेम साइज के हैं, छोटे बड़े हैं, कहाँ रखे हैं? कैन यू टेल मी समथिंग?
Yes, ma'am. I think they are of same sizes.
Okay.
And they give a very similar texture too. Like I can feel that they are very smooth and they are not rough and they are very fresh. They're looking fresh.
All right. So I have another one. Same. Blossom, can you tell me? Blossom, can you tell me? ये 3 एप्पल को आप कैसे समझाओगे?
Well, ma'am, again, these 3 look of similar size. The one is in front and 2 are at the back. Then
और कुछ समझा पाओगे बेटा?
Well,
anything else? और कुछ?
I don't think so.
और कुछ नहीं. चलो, और कोई भी बच्चा है ना? खुशवीन आपने भेजा, आप समझ पा रहे हो ना लाइंस का क्या हुआ? तो लाइंस को ठीक करना है, ठीक है? सो ओनली 3 रेस्पॉन्सेस. अदर पीपल मार्केट चले तो नहीं गए एप्पल खरीदने के लिए? बाकी लोग मार्केट तो नहीं चले गए एप्पल खरीदने के लिए? मार्केट नहीं जाना था, है ना? सिर्फ यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करना था. सो व्हाई डिड आई आस्क यू टू ड्रॉ 3 एप्पल्स? Because I just wanted to check that how do you respond to this question, है ना? सबसे पहले you did elements and principles of design. Okay, fine, चलेगा, है ना? So what I wanted to ask from you, ये मुझे यही इंक्वायर करना था आपसे. ये देखिए. Now if I draw ये, so what will you say? How will you interpret? क्या ये 3 एप्पल 3 अलग अलग साइज के हैं? क्या ये 3 एप्पल 3 अलग अलग साइज के हैं? Tell me class.
No, ma'am.
No. So what kind of illusion you are getting? आप कैसे समझाओगे इसको?
Is one in the front and they are in a row, so they are looking smaller.
So you are saying that it is in a row, है ना? You can say ये front है ना? ये is looking bigger, ठीक है? ये middle है, looking smaller, और ये far है, looking smallest. but they are not actually bigger and smaller. So you are getting an illusion. Distance, है ना? Pass, दूर, near and far. This illusion you are getting, and this illusion is known as perspective. And this is true. This illusion is known as perspective. Drawing things in its actual manner is perspective. So you must be thinking, but perspective, so we just heard there is something like vanishing point. So is there cameras on, please? Today I am going to give you a very valuable information जो आपको लाइफ टाइम काम आने वाली है ना? और इसको अगर आप ऐसा कैमरा बंद करके सुनोगे तो आप आधा ज्ञान लेकर जाओगे और उससे आपको प्रॉब्लम्स आती ही रहेंगी, है ना? आज की क्लास के बाद आपको सिर्फ एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिलेगी कि हम पर्सपेक्टिव को यूज कैसे करें. ठीक है, चलो, ठीक है. सो दिस इज इल्यूजन ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव. सो यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग वैनिशिंग पॉइंट कहाँ गया? तो वैनिशिंग पॉइंट जो है कहीं यहाँ बाहर होगा. सो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन. सो राइट फर्स्ट, what is perspective? Please write. What is perspective? It is an illusion of, please write, perspective. Please write it. Perspective is an illusion of creating. Perspective is an illusion of creating distance or depth. Distance or depth in a picture plane. Did you write? Perspective is an illusion of creating, I'm just writing important word, distance or depth in a picture plane. In a picture plane. So it's an illusion. It's not real. है ना? पेपर यहाँ जाके कहीं खत्म नहीं हो जाएगा. Paper is my 2D. If I'm working on this surface, so this is 2D. So in this 2D surface, it is an illusion of creating this distance or depth. All right. Next definition. It is an art of drawing 3D objects. It is an art of drawing 3D objects on 2D surface. 3D objects on 2D surface in the manner they appear. है ना? Actual. जैसा जो दिख रहा है वो actual. ठीक है? It is an art of drawing 3D objects on 2D surface in the manner they appear. Now suppose, just showing you, explaining you, and you must be thinking कि ma'am vanishing point तो मुझे समझा ही नहीं रही perspective, तो I just know it's all about vanishing point. But this is what I wanted to explain you. Don't just restrict perspective to interiors and exterior. It is to be followed everywhere. Everywhere. क्या पता चल रहा है यहाँ? What can you figure out? How many glasses are there? How many glasses are there?
3.
3 glasses are there. And out of these 3 glasses, which is the nearest one? Which is the nearest one? Which is the nearest one to you? कौन सा सबसे पास है? Yes, out of these 3, which is the nearest one? आपके पास कौन सा है? किसकी visibility सबसे? Yes, the one which is horizontally lying on the floor. So this is the nearest one. And I said horizontally lying. क्या glass के अंदर कोई liquid है? Is it an? It is an empty glass. ठीक है? So drawing things in its actual manner. Again, this is the actual perspective. Then this is also a glass, but ये ठीक इसके बगल में थोड़ा सा पीछे, right? And then there is again a glass which is kept just inverted, उल्टा, ठीक है, शायद सबसे पीछे. So all these three glasses, they are of same size, but they are drawn in its actual manner so that you can figure out ये सीधा है, ये गिरा हुआ है, ये उल्टा है और थोड़ा आगे पीछे रखे हैं. So this is what is perspective, art of drawing things in its actual manner. So if you want, you can write. This is also an art of drawing things in its actual manner. लिखिए. Now I'll explain you some more important terminologies. If you want to note it down, please note it down. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes. ये erase कर दूं? ये erase कर दूं? Class, should I erase this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everybody is concentrating on whatever I am saying. Are you concentrating? Are you doing it or not doing it? अब तो yes no बोलो या अभी भी नहीं बोलोगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब मुझे सुनोगे ध्यान से. पहले सुनेंगे, फिर आप ड्रॉ करेंगे. ठीक है? So points to remember. You can write perspective का next. Points to remember. So this is one. Vanishing point. This is number 2. Line of horizon. Line of horizon क्या करती है? What does it do? So it distinguishes between, please write it. It distinguishes between background and foreground. It distinguishes between background and foreground. ठीक है? It distinguishes between background and foreground. ठीक है? Generally, line of horizon is at eye level. This is above eye level. ये आपको याद आएगा बाद में, है ना? This is below eye level. ठीक है? Below eye level. Write it. Line of horizon distinguishes between background, foreground, and this is the eye level. Line of horizon generally lies at eye level. Ye above and ye below. How will this function? I'll tell you. Now write. I hope I'm audible. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
You are.
Okay. Okay. So vanishing point. The point at which, please write. The point at which all details seems to get vanished or faded. Vanished or faded. For example, now I'm explaining. You will understand what is line of horizon. Check karo. Can you understand what is line of horizon? समझ आया? This is my background. This is my foreground. This is my line of horizon. ठीक है, अब मैं वैनिशिंग पॉइंट समझाती हूँ आपको. I had street lights here. Did you understand what happened? I told you I had street lights here. So what happened to these street lights? So street lights, as they were moving further, so we had an illusion that the height is getting smaller, 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 and the distance is also getting smaller, 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 smaller. And at one point of time, where I can see my vanishing point at my line of horizon, I cannot see beyond it. So this is known as vanishing point. All right, where all details seems to get vanished or faded. Now see, I'll add another example here to show you. बहुत ध्यान से देखना, and it is very interesting also. You don't need to draw, but just understand. Can you see this pavement? Everyone? Now see what is happening with this pavement. The details are getting smaller, smaller, smaller and smaller as we are reaching near to the vanishing point. And this is the illusion we have. If we are standing on the road somewhere, so this is the illusion. We will be able to see that these details are getting smaller and they are getting vanished. You know, they are diminishing till a point beyond which you cannot see. So this point is known as vanishing point. Class, samajh aa raha hai? Everyone? Are you understanding? What did I tell you?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So this is my vanishing point. ठीक है? अच्छा एक बात बताओ, when these street lights were placed here, are they actually of different size? Or they are same size?
They are same size.
The
Same
same size, you know, because these are products and these products are constructed with a planning. So these cannot be of different sizes, same size and same dimensions. All right, but problem क्या हुई? जैसे जैसे हम vanishing point के नजदीक गए, हमें ऐसा लगा कि इनका डायमेंशन भी, इनके बीच का डिस्टेंस भी, इनके हाइट भी कम होती गई. ठीक है? दूसरा फैक्ट, do you think they are placed at equal distance? Yes or no? Are
Yes,
they
ma'am.
placed at equal distance?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Generally,
ma'am.
generally, yes. So they are placed at equal distance. ये generally yes है ना? कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि हमने एक लाइट जो है आधे किलोमीटर पे लगा दी, दूसरी जो है 1 पे लगा दी. वो depending on some particular location, but generally they are placed at equal distance. All right. So the third term here, which I'm going to make you write is, सबसे पहले लिखो eye levels. Third terminology, eye level. There are 3 types of eye levels. At eye level, generally at line of horizon, above eye level and below eye level. You wrote about vanishing point. You wrote about line of horizon. Third, you will write about eye levels. Please write. Please write. Written? Did you write? So this is 3. At eye level, above eye level, below eye level. At eye level पे क्या है? My line of horizon. Above eye level पर क्या है? These clouds, sun, even the height of my objects. ठीक है? Which we can see. So this is above eye level. Below eye level क्या है? So below eye level, I can see the base, the pavement. This cannot be in the air. So all the base will be in the foreground. That is below eye level. ठीक है? Point number 4. Point number 4. Convergence. Convergence. लिखिए. I hope everybody is writing. आज का सेशन अगर आपको समझ आएगा ना, तभी आप आगे पर्सपेक्टिव को मजे से ड्रॉ कर पाओगे. बट अगर आज आपको समझ नहीं आएगा ना, तो आप सिर्फ वैनिशिंग पॉइंट से खेलते रहोगे, आप पर्सपेक्टिव का एप्लीकेशन नहीं समझ पाओगे. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो कन्वर्जेंस. ओके, द रिड्यूसिंग गैप बिटवीन, राइट, द रिड्यूसिंग गैप बिटवीन the objects like street lights, color of pavement, it can be railway tracks. Railway tracks में भी gaps कम होते जाएंगे. लिखो railway tracks.
Ma'am,
color of slabs of pavement. Black and white होते हैं ना? ये black and white होता है ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the slabs या color of pavement. Slab लिख लो या colors लिख लो, चलेगा, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Railway tracks. अगर यहाँ पर railway track होती, तो क्या होता? क्या मुझे ये वुडन प्लैंक्स ऐसे छोटे होते हुए नजर आते? क्लास बताइए, ये छोटे होते हुए नजर आते?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So railway tracks. Fine. अगर मेट्रो लाइन होती, so I'm writing metro pillars, वो भी छोटे होते हुए नजर आते. So लिखिए metro pillars. Metro pillars. Staircases, है ना, सीढ़ियां. हम देखते हैं तो हमें नीचे लगता है अच्छा स्टेयर इतनी बड़ी, और जितनी दूर तक हमारी नजर जाती है हमें ऐसा लगता है वो छोटी हो रही है. ठीक है, स्टेयर केसेस एक्सेट्रा. ये सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए लिखवाया है. ठीक है, एक्सेट्रा, द रिड्यूसिंग गैप बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. जितने भी एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको लिखवाए. as we move near to the vanishing point, as we move near to the vanishing point, gives an illusion of distance or depth. Distance or depth in a picture plane. Distance or depth in a picture plane. This is known as convergence. This is known as convergence. This is known as convergence. लिख लिया? Everyone? Did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. मैं यहाँ थोड़ा erase कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, because I need to use the space to make you understand the next part. ठीक है, so I am going to use the space for the next part. Now suppose this is my working area. So what is happening? I hope you can see a tree. How many trees can you see here? How many trees can you see here? How many trees?
3.
3 trees you can see here. ठीक है? क्या ये पेड़ बहुत छोटे हैं? Are they very small or they are very huge? They are huge. ठीक है? But I have drawn them comparatively smaller as per the distance which is shown here. Is it true? Is it true? Class?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So this is known as point number 5. This is known as foreshortening. Foreshortening. लिखिए foreshortening. The object which is near to us appears bigger in size than the objects which are placed at a distance. The object which is near to us appears bigger in size than the objects which are placed at a distance. समझ आ रहा है? Please write it. Can you see a human figure here? Can you see these 3 human figures? Are they proportionate? Are they looking proportionate? हाँ, okay. ठीक है, इतना ही बड़ा दिखना चाहिए. ठीक है, ये मेरा eye level है. Line of horizon है, so here I have to place my head. ठीक है, so this is foreshortening. सामने की चीज बड़ी, दूर की चीज छोटी. ठीक है, the object which appears near to us appears bigger in size than the objects which are placed at a distance. Foreshortening. Did you write? Did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone. So this was 5. And in point number 6, please write. Please write. In 1 point perspective, one matlab, one vanishing point. One vanishing point. In 1 point perspective, generally all vertical, आप check करो, all vertical, see what am I trying to tell you? All vertical and horizontal, all horizontal lines are parallel to each other. समझ आया? क्लास समझ आया आपको, है ना? इन वन पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव, वन पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव का मतलब वन वैनिशिंग पॉइंट. So one vanishing point, generally all vertical lines and all horizontal lines are parallel to each other. Right? In two-point perspective, in two-point perspective, in two-point perspective मतलब two vanishing point, two vanishing point. So in two-point perspective, generally all vertical lines are parallel. लिखिए.
Can you repeat?
In one point perspective, मतलब ब्रैकेट में लिखो one vanishing point, generally all vertical and horizontal lines are parallel to each other. In two-point perspective, that means two vanishing point, all vertical lines are parallel to each other. लिख पाए क्लास? लिख पाए?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आया? ठीक है, अभी तक जो मैंने समझाया सभी बच्चों को समझ आया या नहीं आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, आपने ये क्लास पहले अटेंड की नहीं की, आप नए हो आप पुराने हो, दैट इज नॉट मैटर, बट आज जो मैंने अभी समझाया हर एक बच्चे को समझ आया या नहीं आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the most important part. You have to understand what we are doing. So can we go for the next exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So thanks for, I got a lot of reward in the chat also, but I'm not coming to the chat box. I will erase this and let's proceed further. Time is less and I have to explain you a lot of things. So I'm cutting short the other explanation and I'm directly making you do another exercise. So that Thursday को जब हम perspective का और extended class करवाएं तो आप समझ पाओ कि हमने क्या समझा. And don't force yourself with only exploring the vanishing point. Perspective उससे बहुत बड़ा है, ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा. सिर्फ vanishing point को we cannot ignore, we can never ignore, but just understand how you will apply it. Now see, this is my vanishing point. मैंने random mark कर दिया, ठीक है. अब क्या कर रही हूँ मैं? I have just drawn a square, maybe a rectangle. आप फ्री हैंड कर लीजिए, जिसको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा आप स्केल भी ले सकते हैं. Just for this exercise, I am not promoting use of scale in free hand drawing, just for understanding the lines in this exercise. So I have drawn three different structures. I made sure that my horizontal and vertical lines are parallel. Is it true? Is it true? Okay, is it true? And I am going to use one point perspective. Matlab one vanishing point. One vanishing point. ठीक है, अब क्या करेंगे? I'm going to join them with the vanishing points. Okay, so this is horizontal, I'll take horizontal. This is vertical, I'll take vertical. ज्वाइन कर दिया. What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? Plus cuboid. What is the eye level? What is the eye level?
Below eye level.
Below eye level. कुछ लोग सोच रहे होंगे बिलो आई लेवल क्या होता है. नीचे देख रहे हो, आपको ये टॉप दिख रहा है, नीचे देखेंगे तो ये टॉप दिख रहा है. And how many sides are visible? 3 sides are visible. ठीक है. Look at this rectangle. Again, I'm going to join it through the edges. Can I join the third part? Can I join the third part? Can I join any third side here?
No.
No. So, vertical parallel, vertical parallel. Sorry. Is it a cuboid again? Is it a cuboid again? Plus, whatever.
Yes.
Is it a cuboid again? What eye level?
ma'am.
At eye level. ना top दिख रहा है, ना bottom दिख रहा है. At eye level. No top, no bottom. So I can see just like this. है ना? ऐसे भी नहीं देखना, ऐसे भी नहीं देखना. So I can just see like this. So at eye level, 2 sides. Now see. ठीक है. ये horizontal, horizontal, vertical, vertical. So again, it's a cuboid. ठीक है. Above eye level 3. ये लिख लेना, याद रहेगा. क्यों है above eye level? क्योंकि मुझे ये बेस दिख रहा है. क्यों है ये below eye level? क्योंकि मुझे ये चौक दिख रहा है. Right? Class. So your task will be right now, everybody. Your task will be, I created 3 here. So add 7 more. Random. कहीं पे भी आप बोलोगे can I add here? ठीक है. Can I add something here? So add 7 more. I will better write. Let me write cubes and cuboids. Do it. Cubes and cuboids. And you will also try to write. ये क्या हो सकता है? In terms of interior क्या हो सकता है? Fine. So let's do this first. I'm giving you 10 minutes. I won't speak anything in between. I'm giving you 10 minutes. Then we will discuss further. And we will also check. हम ये क्यों बना रहे हैं? What is the use? Can we convert them into objects? That also we will see. But this I will do it after 10 minutes. So it is 6:52. Fine, I'll speak to you at 7:05. So I am just muting myself. I'm not going to switch off my camera. Board chala jayega. So I'll speak to you at 7:05.
क्या किया
मैंने सब
आपने?
कर लिया पर पता नहीं इससे क्या दिक्कत आ रही है।
पाँच मिनट और है as per the time limit which I have given you. So what I will do is, because you are drawing, है ना, मैं सिर्फ इसे erase करके, I just need to show you something. I just want you to convert this into some meaningful object. What do you think I have done? What do you think I have done? What do you think I have done? Class. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, चलो मैं ये भी erase कर. अब बताओ, what do you think I have done?
Ma'am, cardboard box.
Yes, a cardboard box. ठीक है, a cardboard box. Now see next, what am I doing? Here, what we have done?
Open cardboard box.
Open cardboard box. So I hope you can figure out how we are doing it. Yes, class. Okay. Class, tell me. Wall clock. Will it do? Will it do? Wall clock. Tell me yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, is this class for new joiners?
Everyone.
Okay,
New,
ma'am.
old, everyone. कोई problem है? Who is speaking? Just tell me. I did not see your name.
Ma'am, Pavni.
आपने ये कर लिया है?
Yes, ma'am. Long back I've done this. So
अगर
that's-
कर लिया तो आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लो.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
समझा रही हूँ यहाँ, इट इज नॉट इजी. You really need to use your brain to use it. Otherwise नहीं कर पाओगे, मुश्किल होगी आपको, परेशानियां आएंगी आपको. मैंने क्या कर दिया? You can create. If you can create. I said vertical, but what if it becomes curved? I said vertical. ठीक है? But what if पेपर है, पेपर कर्व हो गया तो क्या करेंगे? क्या ये गलत है? क्या ये गलत है? पहले की कर्व क्या? Is it wrong? Is it wrong? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
This is how you have to experiment. Fine. And I'm just going to add few more shapes here with some weight ways. Cylinders. I'm adding. You figure it out? Can you check? Class, क्या बना ये? Just showing you the dots. Okay. So maybe this can be a crayon or anything. इसको dotted रखो, समझ में आए. ठीक है? कोशिश करिए. अब मैं WhatsApp पर आकर पहले I'll just check those who are sharing if there is any problem from your side. So that I'm going to check first. Putting it dotted. जो नहीं चाहिए, I'm just putting it dotted. What can you see here? What can you see here? What did I draw?
Pencil.
Yes. Is it looking like a pencil? Can you feel the strength of the pencil here? Plus, strength feel हो रही है आपको pencil की? Yes, I can feel that there is a pencil. See? Can you make it out? So please try to show me the same strength. So this is what I'm trying to teach you, the application of perspective and not just following the vanishing point. Vanishing point kahin par bhi ho, see how it is applied. So this is very important. Ab kariye, pehle karke share it in your group. Now I'll just check what kind of updates you have shared in your group. चलो मैं बोर्ड से थोड़ा दूर हो जाती हूँ पहले. I'll share screen to check. No one shared anything. So this is Garima, no, Smriti, who tried drawing 3 apples. Okay, that's okay. Now this is Garima, who has tried doing the cuboids from vanishing point. So yes, everything looks okay. But I think I just have one suggestion. Garima, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Garima, yes, I'll just show you. So what I feel you made a mistake here is, look at this line. changing the color just to show you horizontal, vertical. So this is your cuboid. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You there? If anybody else is in trouble, so you can check. Just changing color, vertical and horizontal. Right? Rest it is okay. ये गलत है आपका. जब this is your line of horizon, है ना? तो ये बेस तो दिखेगा ही नहीं. So it's better आप इसको थोड़ा सा बढ़ा लीजिए, है ना? और वैनिशिंग पॉइंट से आप इसको ऐसा बना लीजिए. ऐसा. समझ आ रहा है? गरिमा?
Yes.
Okay. So please work on the suggestion which you have asked. Then, no, not this one. Anyone else? Why there is no work? किसी ने भी काम नहीं किया क्या? Everybody who is sitting here, are you not working? Are you not working? Class, I can see a lot. I was expecting a lot of work, but I did not get too many. Okay, so one I got here. Let me just share screen so that I can help you. This is the work which you tried. Can you just share a horizontal version, dear? Can you share a horizontal version? Though you tried correctly, what I can figure out is you tried correctly. But yes, I just have a suggestion that your understanding is improving, but work on the quality of your lines. है ना? आप अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को काफी अच्छा इम्प्रूव कर रहे हो, बट आपको अपने लाइंस पर काम करना है. इफ यू फील लाइक यस यू नीड टू स्कोर मोर. ओके, यस. देन श्रुति जायसवाल, जस्ट अ मोमेंट. Just a moment, I'm just checking few more work if they are shared. To share the screen, those who shared. So this is Shruti Jaiswal. You tried, it's okay. So looking correct. This is Kushween. So Kushween, you too tried correct, but कहीं कहीं आपने गड़बड़ कर दी बेटा. और ये गड़बड़ में ये देखिए, ये देखिए, खुशबी देखा बेटा आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, और don't work on such a small area. Why are you working in such a small area? Please increase your area. Always work थोड़ा दूर, vanishing point से थोड़ा दूर. So if you
Okay,
work
ma'am.
little distance, so you'll get an acceptable view. If you just work nearby, so you'll get a distorted view. So this is not advisable. Always work at a distance.
Okay,
Kushvi,
ma'am.
got
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Then और किसी ने नहीं भेजा. So anybody else is sharing? Should I wait or should I proceed? Tell me class. मुझे wait करो, मैं आगे बढ़ूं.
Ma'am, I'm sharing.
Okay, so I'll just wait for 5 minutes more. I know it is tough which you are drawing. It is not easy. So I'll just wait for 5 minutes. I'll share screen to tell you. So Anjali, I asked you to use the vanishing point. So I cannot see vanishing point in the cylinders. So I suggested vanishing point से आप cylinders को बनाइए, है ना? Not at eye level. I suggested you this better. Anjali, if you can see, I suggested you this. Can you just say some yes, no?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay, so this is what I suggested. But right now, I did not ask you कि आप ये eye level ऐसा बनाएं क्योंकि मेरा vanishing point यहाँ है. ठीक है? We wanted you to draw like this. है ना? Suppose अगर आपको कोई glass ही बनाना है या pencil बनानी है, as I have shown you on the board, आप कैसे समझाओगे अपने audience को? So this is the way.
Okay.
ठीक है? ये तरीका है.
Okay.
Fine?
Okay.
Then this is just okay. Blossom, आपको अभी एडवाइस करूंगी. Blossom, आप इसको स्केल से थोड़ा सा नीटली और बनाएं. आपको समझ आया है, बट इसका एक बहुत खूबसूरत लुक क्या होना चाहिए कि आपको एग्जाम जो है थोड़ा बाद में देना है, तो आप इसको समय दीजिए और इसको स्केल से प्रॉपरली प्रोपोर्शनेट बनाने की कोशिश करिए. ठीक है? Okay. Then this is another child who shared. So this is 𝐀𝐤𝐿 who tried. So 𝐀𝐤𝐿 आपके trial में problem नहीं है, but if you are making a table, so why it is a paper का table? Getting? Why it is a paper का table? समझ आ रहा है? So there has to be some thickness. Sorry. There has to be some thickness, and this thickness cannot be avoided. 𝐀𝐤𝐿, are you there? Are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but the work is less. You need to work more. This is too less. I have drawn too much on the board accordingly. So this is Smriti. Not bad. ठीक है, Smriti. So I can see you understood a lot of concept. So Smriti, as you will also have to apply little later. But what I can feel here is आपको concept समझ तो आ रहा है, आप उसको explore भी कर रहे हो. So further, I would like to see some valuable homework from your side. ठीक है, अगर हम इसको आगे यूज नहीं करेंगे तो हम यहीं पे रह जाएंगे, है ना। और यहाँ आर्टवर्क देखकर मैं ये देख पा रही हूँ कि आपको काफी अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया है, तो आप इसको यूज करिए और खुद के पोर्टफोलियो के लिए आज से वर्क करिए. प्रिपेयर सम वर्क विच आर रिलेटेड टू पर्सपेक्टिव. ठीक है, you can just check in the assignment section. This all of you can check. You can check in your assignment section. There is आपके पोर्टल में assignment को क्लिक करिए. Assignment को क्लिक करने के बाद you will see an assignment on perspective. So please see to it and just try. You don't have to draw them all together तुरंत से, but आप उस एक एक assignment को थोड़ा समय दीजिए और बहुत अच्छे से करिए. So इससे आप improve कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, okay. Now this is Moise who tried. So you tried doing, oh not bad. So you two understood it nicely. ठीक है, चलो मैं जल्दी से आपको फिर असाइनमेंट दिखाती हूँ, है ना. आप बच्चों को असाइनमेंट दिखाती हूँ, आप कोशिश करना. ठीक है, अभी हम फिर से क्लास करने ही वाले हैं थर्सडे को पर्सपेक्टिव में, जहां पर हम इंटीरियर या एक्सटीरियर जितना पॉसिबल होगा उसकी बात करेंगे और उसके बाद आप इस असाइनमेंट को बहुत अच्छे से कर पाएंगे. सो दिस इज ख़ुशवीन, बट I am opening just a student's dashboard. ये सबके लिए same. I'll click the assignment. Oh, it's not there. Wait. I'll just do it. Just give me one moment. I'll just do it so that you can use it. आप बच्चे सोच रहे हो कि भी होमवर्क में क्या करें, तो आप यहाँ से देखकर इसे आगे फर्दर कर सकते हो. या गॉट इट. ये देखिए, ये आपका है असाइनमेंट सेक्शन. ठीक है, नाउ सी दिस इज द पर्सपेक्टिव का असाइनमेंट, दिस इज स्टिल लाइफ का असाइनमेंट. सो दिस कैन बी यूज्ड बाय ऑल ऑफ यू. दिस विल जस्ट हेल्प यू इन इम्प्रूविंग योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, क्या है असाइनमेंट, दैट आल्सो आई एम ओपनिंग एंड आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू. पढ़िए क्या है. सो यू विल बी वरीड, अभी तो हमने किया नहीं है ये सब, तो अभी आप थर्सडे की क्लास भी और हो जाने दीजिए, देन यू कैन ट्राई. ओके क्लास. Similarly, you can just try still life का होम असाइनमेंट. जितनी भी स्टिल लाइफ आपने ड्रॉ की है, क्या करना चाहिए. सो इफ यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट, so you will just improve an eye on observation and drawing. So this can be done, so don't neglect it. Okay, so can I come on screen again to tell you more? Chats में कुछ है? Okay, so it's okay, fine, it is your wish. आप क्लास छोड़कर जा रहे हो, so it is your wish, but I will teach you further. Okay, erase कर दो इसे. Can I erase this to tell you more? Can I erase this? Class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, आप लिख लीजिए जिसको पर्सपेक्टिव पर और काम करना है आज की क्लास के अकॉर्डिंग. So you can just write, draw 5 bricks, 2, 5 shoe boxes, 3, 5 cartons, open, closed, partially open. Please write it. ये होमवर्क हो सकते हैं आपके. This will help you a lot. Then 5 match boxes, try coloring. ठीक है, and assignment number 5. Assignment number 5. 3 bread slices, 1 butter cube. This can also be tried, and 1 knife. Try doing it from 1 point perspective. Please write it down. So if you write, you will be able to explore perspective, still life, and sense of composition. Please note it down. Please note it down, everyone. So I would like you to convert this into 3 pencils, 3 color pencils, color pastels. Let me write pastels, 1 sharpener, 1 eraser, ठीक है, 1 scale. देखो आप कैसे कर पाओगे, and 1 compass. Everyone, try doing it. Okay, try doing it. See, I have already drawn a pencil. Now I am going to try. Is it looking like a sharpener? Is it looking like a sharpener?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Is it looking like proportionate also? Can you
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
that I can sharpen this pencil using this sharpener? छोटा नहीं है ये? ऐसा लग रहा है आपको कि हाँ मैं इस पेंसिल को इस sharpener से sharpen कर सकती हूँ? So this is what you have to try. कोशिश करेंगे. Next. Two pencils. Challenging. I hope you can feel the overlapping. Class, can you feel the overlapping? or you can't feel?
Yes, ma'am.
Check your way. This is how scale is going to look like. आप overlapping कर सकते हो, बिल्कुल overlapping कर सकते हो. See, how am I proceeding? I'm just not using this vanishing point in a very negligent way. I am just trying to make your artworks eye-catchy. I am trying to teach you that how to use it. Don't just use it because it's a vanishing point. And don't compromise with the details of your object. है ना? अपने ऑब्जेक्ट के डिटेल से आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करोगे. Can you figure out the eraser also? Sorry, I just removed this sharpener details. I did not realize. Can you figure out this eraser also here? Yes. Can you figure out? And can you figure out वो जो clumsiness आ रही है? Oh my God, you have kept a lot of stationaries here. I hope you are getting that feeling. Everyone, class, are you getting that feeling? How all these stationaries are kept all together. Okay, overlapping, आस-पास, proportion, size. Can you enjoy that? Can you feel that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please add on and share results with me. Please add on and share results with me. This is how you have to use. ठीक है, मैं एडिशनली यहाँ पर आपको कुछ समझा रही हूँ. यहाँ पर एक एडिशनल वैनिशिंग पॉइंट लेकर समझा रही हूँ. ठीक है, एक एडिशनली वैनिशिंग पॉइंट लेकर आपको समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, so that you can prepare your homework well. See, can you see a cuboid here? क्या है ये? What did I make?
Slice of
What did
bread.
I make? See, what did I make? Yes, class. What did I make?
Slice of bread.
Yes. So I just gave you a question here. So just wanted to show its application. आप कैसे बनाओगे इसको, है ना? आप कैसे बनाओगे इसको, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. I'm just trying to help you out so that you can finish, you can understand. The questions को solve करना is not tough. See, I'm not using any scale or something. Daily basis पर जो भी हम आसपास चीजें देख रहे हैं, I am also using that information only. ठीक है? I am also using that thing only. क्या बनाया मैंने ये? क्या बना लिया शायद?
Pen.
Yes. So I created a pen. ठीक है? आपको कुछ टेक्सचर बनाना है, आपको किसी कंपनी का नाम भी लिखने का था, so you can use this space. See, I could have overlapped also, but I have not overlapped because I just wanted you to understand कि क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है? इसको आप क्रेयॉन्स मत लेना, इसको आप उस पे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. फेविस्टिक होता है ना, cylindrical, so you can convert into that. फेविस्टिक. See, तो ऐसा आपको फील हो रहा है कि ये सारी पेंसिल की स्टेशनरी, सारे स्टेशनरी बॉक्स से हमने निकाल कर सारी स्टेशनरीज यहाँ डाल दी. कैन यू फील दैट? क्लास समझ आ रहा है? आपने सारी स्टेशनरीज पेंसिल बॉक्स से निकाली और ऐसे आपने फैला ली. एंड दिस वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग यूजिंग 1 पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव. यस, देखो एक और मैजिक दिखा रही हूँ. ठीक है? जस्ट ट्राइंग टू शो यू, आपको समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि आप ऐसा मत समझना कि आपसे चीजें हैंडल नहीं हो रही. क्या करा अभी मैंने, आप बताओ. What did I do? क्या है ये? What did I do? It's a
Paper screw.
glass. It's a piece of paper. It's a piece of paper which has come out of your pencil box. So, as I am just trying to tell you how straight line, curved line ऐसे बना दो, but what about the curved piece of paper which has come out from your pencil box? Did I use 1 point perspective here? Did I use it? Did I use 1 point perspective here? Yes, I used. Okay? Yes, I used. Try. So I need to see this. Everybody, जो भी आपने try किया है आप करिए और मुझे share करिए. जो भी आपने try किया है, please do it and share it with me on your WhatsApp group. Let me just check if so. I think nobody has shared it today. I mean, अभी तक नहीं share किया है. So I assume that everybody is working. I assume that everybody is working. ठीक है, तो मैं और ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करूंगी, पहले एक्सपेक्ट करूंगी कि आप इसे बना पाए, है ना, पहले आप इसे बना पाए, फिर आगे प्रोसीड करूंगी। प्लीज बनाइए। Do I get anything? क्या हुआ बेटा? No one is going to share any work or what? If you will not share any work, how will I evaluate? How will I evaluate your work? Adya, you are attending class, but I did not see any update. है ना? Then this is Gubendran, no update. Anjali sirf ek bheja. Astha did not see anything. Blossom, you also shared one. Eva did not see anything. Garima, you shared, but last work I am expecting. You know, Kavya, Ojasvi is a new child. So I hope, Ojasvi, you understood whatever I taught you today. Ojasvi, did you understand? आपने जो भी किया या आपको कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया?
Yes, ma'am, I can understand.
But I need to see some response. है ना? Boys also shared some, but I am expecting. Priyanshi Patle, I think here we met for the first time. So Priyanshi Patle, did you understand जो मैंने आपको समझाया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Exactly. I understood.
ठीक है? So can I see
Yes.
any response from your side? Even Shruti,
Sure, ma'am.
है ना? Shruti, Sneha, I need to see some update. है ना? फैकल्टी अगर आपको पढ़ा रही है तो आपसे कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है बेटा कि आपको समझ आया नहीं आया, आप हमें बताएं, है ना? अगर आप हमें नहीं बताएंगे तो हम कैसे हैंडल करेंगे? हमें कैसे समझ आएगा कि आपको समझ आया? एंड हाउ विल आई गेट दिस कॉन्फिडेंस कि अब इस चैप्टर के बाद जब हम नेक्स्ट इसका चैप्टर कर रहे हैं तो आप बच्चे समझ पाओगे, आप उस पर रिस्पॉन्ड कर पाओगे। ठीक है बेटा, अभी तो मुझे अब ये क्लास वाइंड अप करनी पड़ेगी। इफ एनीबडी इज सपोज टू टेक दिस स्क्रीनशॉट, आप प्लीज ले लें स्क्रीनशॉट को, बट बाय 8:30 जो है ना, बाय 8:30 आप स्क्रीन से हटिए मत। बाय 8:30 आई विल एक्सपेक्ट कि जितने भी बच्चे भी क्लास में हो, आप मुझे ये रेस्पॉन्स जो है ग्रुप में भेजोगे, है ना? ठीक है, ये बहुत ज्यादा, आप देखो अभी 8:30 तक आप अपने स्क्रीन के सामने रहिए, आप यहाँ से उठिए मत, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए और इसे फिनिश करके सभी बच्चे अपने अपने ग्रुप में इसे अपडेट करिए। ठीक है, सो वी विल स्टे कनेक्टेड, है ना? एक्सप्रेस बैच वाले बच्चे, कल आपकी क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग की क्लास शुरू करवा रहे हैं हम मिस्टर सुनील गुप्ते से, ही इज एन NIDian, so don't forget, and don't forget, you know, interacting and responding. If you do not respond तो आपको मजा नहीं आएगा। and don't just जज अ फैकल्टी कि आप वो बना रहे हैं फिर हम बनाएंगे। कोशिश करिए, मेरा हमेशा ये अप्रोच होता है कि मैं आपको चीजें ऐसे समझाऊं कि आप साथ साथ उसे बना पाओ, आप फील कर पाओ कि यस मेरे से हो जाएगा। बट ये फीलिंग आई नीड टू सी प्रैक्टिकली। डू यू फील द सेम थिंग? आपको ये फील हुआ जब मैंने समझाया कि हाँ मेरे से हो जाएगा, या नहीं हुआ? Did you feel that you will be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, आई विल गेट दिस रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोडेड वेरी सून। जनरली 48 आवर्स में अपलोड हो जाती है, बट कोशिश करूंगी कि कल ही हो जाए। ठीक है, और अगर हो जाती है, क्योंकि ये टॉपिक थोड़ा सा ना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, यू रियली नीड टू डिवोट टाइम to understand the exploration of vanishing point. So please see the recording again and just try to understand that flow. ठीक है, try to understand that flow. ठीक है, okay, bye bye, see you next.
Thank you, ma'am.